we're not. Calm down, calm down. Touch me, stop me. You got me fucked up, bro.
Drop it. Oh.
All right.
Before we begin, subscribe and turn on notifications. These real cases expose how fast a situation can spiral, and why every second matters. What you are about to hear is not a chase, not a trial, and not a courtroom verdict. It is a moment-by-moment breakdown of a police encounter that collapsed into chaos, panic, and irreversible consequences. This is a story about fear, misjudgment, and how one confrontation pushed everyone involved to the edge. Late that evening, Buffalo police officers were dispatched to an escalating disturbance. The details were limited, but the urgency was clear. When officers arrived, they were not facing a calm situation, or a controlled scene. They were facing a person in distress, holding a knife, emotionally overwhelmed, and refusing commands to disarm.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the fucking knife! Get over here! Drop the knife! Drop the fucking knife! I'm not playing with you.
He touched me.
Do you want to get shot or not? Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it! Come on, listen, drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. Yo, Marcus, you got a taser? Drop the knife. It's not this serious. Drop it. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. You got a taser? Okay. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife, baby. I don't give a fuck. He touched me. I'm gonna beat my baby daddy. Touch me.
Drop the knife. We get it. We get it. We get it. We get it.
Stop me. Touch me. Listen. Drop the knife and touch me. Just fight back. Sweetheart, drop the knife and touch me. No, fuck that. You do have the right to fuck fight back. that. He touched me. Sweetheart, relax, relax. What you talking about? Nobody wants to hurt you. Relax. No, Calm down.
Oh,
and then my bitch. No, hell no. Fuck that. No.
Drop the knife.
Fuck your brother. Fuck up. No.
We're not. Calm down,
If
calm
you
down.
touch me, stop me. You got me fucked up, bro.
Drop it. Oh.
You got me fucked up. All right.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Emotions escalated. The individual appeared agitated, frightened, and defensive, insisting they had been touched, insisting they had a right to protect themselves. To officers, the presence of a knife meant immediate danger. To the person holding it, it meant control in a moment that felt out of control. Those two realities collided. Officers continued to plead for compliance. They spoke calmly at times, urgently at others, trying to create distance, trying to buy time, trying to avoid a fatal outcome. A taser was discussed. Space was requested. Backup was called. But the emotional intensity did not slow. This was no longer about commands. It was about fear, perception, and seconds ticking away.
Can you give me the gauze? Can you go to Jerry and give me the gauze, please?
I got CPR.
You got something to help plug it. You got something to help plug it up. You got something to plug it up. Do you have something to plug it up? Do you have something to plug it up? Do you have something to plug it up? Can you give me something to help plug this up? Please. Breathe.
It's a high pressure. You just selling up crazy.
You got the trauma going?
CC. Yeah. CC. Yeah. CC.
This
CC. Yeah. CC. CC. C. Come on. You here. CC. You here.
The sound of sirens in the distance became the only hope. Emergency medical services were already en route. Officers continued to apply pressure, warning that certain movements could worsen the bleeding. The scene was chaotic, emotional, and raw. No one was shouting commands anymore. They were pleading for calm, for stillness, for survival. Once paramedics arrived, the scene shifted again. Medical professionals took over. Officers stepped back, many visibly shaken. What began as a call for assistance had become a critical incident that would be reviewed, questioned, and dissected for years to come. Incidents like this always leave behind more than reports. They leave questions. Could this have ended differently? Was there enough space? Enough time? Enough understanding on either side? And perhaps the hardest question of all. At what point does fear overpower reason?
Drop the knife. We get it. We get it. We get it. We get it.
Listen, drop the knife and talk to me.
Just fight back!
Sweetheart, drop the knife and talk to me.
No, fuck that!
You do have the right to fight back.
He touched me!
Sweetheart, relax, relax.
What you talking about?
Nobody wants to hurt you. Relax, calm down.
And he's my bitch! No, hell no, fuck that! No!
Drop the knife, sweetheart.
Fuck your brother! Fuck that, no!
We're not. Calm down, calm down. Over this way, yo! Drop the knife! All right. Back up here. We got an ambulance in the way. We got him on the way. We got him on the way. Listen. You don't want to do that. Listen to me. Look at me. You don't want to do that because the blood will come out. You don't want to do it. Listen to me. I got it. Baby. Move over. Listen, hear me out. Sweetheart. If you hear me out. Look at me. If you do CPR, the blood will come out, okay? Calm down. We called it in already. We got it. I got it. The ambulance is on the way. I hear you. Here, back up for me. She stabbed you? Let me see.
Behind every critical incident are human beings. Officers who must live with split-second decisions. Families who receive calls they never expected. Communities left divided, searching for answers. No one walks away unchanged. This case is not about villains or heroes. It is about how quickly instability, fear, and miscommunication can push a situation past the point of return. It is a reminder that when emotions spike and weapons enter the equation, the margin for error disappears. Seconds become life-changing. If stories like this matter to you, like this video, subscribe, and share it. These cases are uncomfortable, but they are necessary. Because understanding what goes wrong is the first step toward preventing it from happening again.